All right, let's talk about the toothpaste conspiracy. There are a lot of brands out there, and I'm using Sensodyne just as an example. I use Sensodyne. It's expensive, unfortunately, but I'll get to that in a second. So look at these. You've got your Sensodyne Pro Enamel, okay? One is intensive enamel repair plus whitening, and the other one is just no fancy advertising. Specialist enamel protection. This one repairs weakened enamel for strong, healthy teeth. Rebuilds, restores, refreshes. All right. So you may be standing there in the toothpaste aisle like I do, like, what the heck? Which one do I get? Do I want whitening? Don't really need whitening, but I like the intensive enamel repair idea. And then I look at this one and it's, what is this one? It's for sensitive teeth. Okay, great. You get it home, or you're standing in the aisle, and you look at the back. All right, so here's the regular one. Look at the active ingredients. Potassium nitrate, 5%. Sodium fluoride, 0.25%. Anti-cavity. So you go down to the other one, and you see potassium nitrate, 5%. Sodium fluoride, 0.25%. They're the same ingredients. The inactive ingredients don't really matter because that's usually like your flavoring or your coloring. So always look at the back. These two things, while they advertise something completely different on the front, actually contain the same ingredients. Now, this is almost $7 a tube, right? And I use this stuff for years and years and years and years. And I just discovered this. Stupid me. And I discovered this because I decided I was going to try and find something cheaper that did the same thing. So when I was at Walmart, I found Walmart's brand of extra whitening sensitive toothpaste. And it says, compare to Sensodyne active ingredients. Well, let's do that. So we flip it over to the back. Potassium nitrate, 5%. Sodium fluoride, 0.24%. Basically the same thing. Basically the same thing. And the reason they probably can't put 0.25% in there is because they have a direct competition on their label for Sensodyne. Now, if they didn't have this, it was probably going to be the 0.25%, but they're trying to target purchasers of Sensodyne to buy their product. And let me tell you something. It tastes exactly the same. It looks exactly the same. But you know what? This one was $3 cheaper. $3 cheaper than this. Don't be afraid to buy off-brand products, especially when the ingredients are exactly the same and it's half the price. It's amazing. It's amazing. That $3 could buy you almost a half a gallon of milk. Think about that. So save some money. Buy generic. All right, well, I hope you learned something. This was an interesting video to make. I'm not big on conspiracies, but I think that there's definitely some misinterpretation, sort of misrepresentation going on with some of these toothpaste brands. All right. Anyway, as always, on to the next.